I want to talk about how to make your presentation feel more conversational. In traditional case competitions, you're stuck with a one way monologue. You present, then judges ask questions afterwards. That creates a passive audience experience and often makes your presentation forgettable. I've coached 302 Haskane teams to over 180 podium finishes. The challenge is turning that one sided delivery into something that feels more like a dialogue, even when the rules don't allow real back and forth. This is part of the Case Presentation Mastery series on decks, presentations, and communication. Let's explore how to make your story more conversational and engaging. Traditional presentations are one way passive with limited opportunities for feedback and are essentially forgettable and ineffective. Conversational presentations have clear advantages: higher engagement, better information retention, improved knowledge transfer through clarification, stronger and more authentic connections and rapport, more memorable experiences. People remember how you made them feel. Even in a strict one way format, you can borrow elements of conversation to keep judges mentally participating and emotionally invested. Several techniques help create that conversational feel. Audience awareness. Know who you're speaking to. Use the characters in the case or the actual judge's role to speak to them directly. Authentic voice. Use natural, approachable language. Drop the jargon and consultant speak. Speak like you would in a real conversation. Strategic questions and pauses. Ask rhetorical or thinking prompt questions, then give a brief pause. Offer your own answer afterwards. This invites mental participation. Flexible structure. Don't lock yourself into a rigid template. Apply the order or emphasis based on what serves the story best. Adapt the order or emphasis on what best serves the story or audience understanding. Active listening, even one way. Watch body language, nodding, confusion, smiles. Adjust tone or revisit points if needed. This awareness helps you stay connected. There are various techniques that you can adopt, like open questions, polling by a show of hands, storytelling, or deliberate pauses that allow for reflection and silent response. Design your slides to support conversation. Use less text, more visual cues. Include questions on slides or present case questions and your answers to promote thinking. Leave white space. It gives the audience room to reflect. Allow flexible navigation when possible, especially in text-to-style format. And also use storytelling, relatable characters, and deliberate pauses for reflection. These techniques turn a monologue into something closer to a shared thinking experience. There you have it, practical ways to make your case presentation feel more conversational, even when the format is one way. This is part of the Case and Presentation Mastery series on decks, presentation, and communication. Drop a comment. It's one technique you use or want to try to make your presentation feel more conversational. Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the series. Cam Welsh out. Go turn your monologues into memorable conversations.